This IXGNIJ 4080 aluminum extrusion in 400mm length provides a very rigid structural backbone for three-dimensional printers, computer numerical control builds, and other precision projects. The T-slot design accepts standard Series 40 hardware, making it simple to mount linear rails, brackets, and enclosures without custom machining. Made from 6063-T5 aluminum with an anodized finish, the profile resists corrosion and stays clean while maintaining a smooth, professional appearance. The 40mm by 80mm cross-section delivers excellent stiffness, so larger frames and workbenches feel solid even under dynamic loads. Each piece is accurately cut and square, which helps assemblies go together easily and improves alignment for motion systems and other critical components. The package includes 2 matching extrusions, giving hobbyists and builders enough material to start a compact frame or expand an existing machine.